We have updated the set editor to help you quickly and easily define, edit and reorder sets in large dimensions. Say you just want to focus on one pane. Click the minus icon, and to restore that, click the plus icon. You can also quickly maximise the editor by clicking the max icon. You can restore it by clicking again. If you added the editor from the tree, resize the set editor by dragging the grab handles. You can drag members into the current set from available members. If there are a lot of members in the current set, you can scroll down the pane while dragging the selection into the correct position. You've got much easier access to the most frequently used functions from the new toolbar. You've got cut, copy, remove, keep, undo, redo, sort ascending, sort descending, sort hierarchical ascending, sort hierarchical descending, convert a dynamic set to a static set, and you've got edit MDX. And finally, you can configure the default view settings from the new settings menu. Click the settings icon to access the menu. So you've got your available member settings and your current set settings. Definition is MDX.